So, let me just extend my gratitude to Norso for sharing this program to us, making us, the Kandaway community, their beneficiary for these tutorial services. So, Dr. De Guzman, ma'am, salamat kaayo, sir, makahig. Salamat kay sir, si Sir Valdilobar. Uban pa, of course, Dr. Sohor, ang president sa NURSO. So, thank you so much for making us a part of your training, especially mga future teachers man mo, no? Okay, so I hope with your encounter with our pupils, with our parents, sa mga Saturdays that you were here, nahimo ning magmabungahon, and as I see it, it is indeed really very fruitful. So, we hope that this program will continue to inspire everyone, not just us, but you, students, to become teachers. Pursue your teaching profession in the future, because teaching is not just a profession. It is a common vocation. Sa dili ra ni kay nidako na ni among sweldo ron, no. But as you have encountered, as you have been with our pupils, makaingon yun mong dili lalim, no? It's not easy to let somebody understand a certain thing. But I'm sure you've been learning together as you went on. Nakat-on ang mga bata ninyo, nakat-on pod mo nila. Vice versa, no? So, with this, daghan kayong salamat, especially kamo po mga estudyante for your efforts, for your gastos, for your perseverance. Saturday, murag inyong ginikanan, malipay na unta nga Sabado. And yet, because of this program, you reach out to our students, you spend extra, you go extra mile. Thank you so much. So, hopefully, we will see another group next year, this coming August again, with the leadership of Mr. Makahig and Dr. De Guzman and Mr. Valderovar and the NURSO community. Again, thank you very much, and especially from the Department of Education. So we have with us today also our district supervisor, who is also very thankful for our behalf. So thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Mabuhay ang NURSO LTS. Thank you so much.